This is how to one name on Facebook, so let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on the three lines at the top right corner of your Facebook, and here click on the settings and privacy at the bottom of this interface, and then click on the settings. Now click on the personal information in the account section. Click on the name. So right after that you have to just minimize this window and install a VPN which is named as Indonesia VPN. So once you install it from your Play Store, if you not find it in your Play Store, then you have to just install it through your Chrome browser. And here at the top you can see that the recorder number 07 is connected at this VPN. You have to just simply click on it. So here you can see the server list. Basically you have to just click on the recorder number 7, and here select for the first option which is Jakarta number 06. So basically you have to just connect number 6 Jakarta VPN. So once you're done, you have to just click on the connected icon and then click OK. Right after that wait for connecting, and you can see that this server has been connected to our device. So once you're done, open your Facebook again, and this time you just need to try to remove the last name of your Facebook account. So once you remove it, you have to just click on the review changes, and right after that you have to just click on the save changes. As I have changed my name of Facebook account recently, so currently I am not able to change it before 60 days. So by using this method you will be able to change your name of your Facebook account to one name or single name. So that's how to one name on your Facebook. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.